Good morning. Yeah, we're going to early start today, just before 6 o'clock, and we are straight into a trade. So yeah, good morning, welcome to the show. And here we go. So I seen a nice short opportunity when I woke up earlier. So I've jumped into that trade. It ticks all the boxes. So yeah, if we look into it, yeah, we got the sell flag. Yeah, we've broken below the Heikin-Ashi level. And you can see here the trend direction from M1 to H4 is all showing bearish. So yeah, those signs, yeah, they put the trade, I believe, in my favor. So yeah, we'll just quickly go through it again. So yeah, we've got a break of the trend line here. We got the sell flag here. The price is broken below the Heikin-Ashi level, and we've taken that short position. Just need to check to make sure my audio's working. I can't hear anything in the background, so just bear with me a minute. Yeah, just gonna check everything's working fine. Just can't hear the background music for myself, but I can hear it on YouTube. So that's great. So yeah, we've taken a short position, as always. 30 tick stop, 30 tick profit, and what we will do, if the price can get down to about 25 ticks, we'll get that stop into break even. Just seen a nice downward move here, again here, but price does seem to be pushing a little bit higher. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. It'll be the first trade of the morning, and hopefully between 6 and 8 a.m. we can get a couple of trades away. So yeah, just putting the strategy on the ticker on the bottom, so you can see that, see what we're doing. And yeah, at the moment, yeah, got a nice supply level or resistance here, nice demand and support here. So we got a little bit of what I call wiggle room, yeah, for that price to move. And I'm hoping we can set a new low here. So this is the low from coming out of the Asian session. And like I was saying, we've broke this trend line here. We've got the sell flag in. Price is broken below the Heikin-Ashi level, and we got the charts showing down. So from M1 to M4, we have a bullish direction on the chart. So rather than me, normally I'd flick through all the charts. I try and get a direction or momentum. I'd pay more attention to the M13 H1, because that would be my overall trend. Then I'd be trading the pullbacks then on the M5. So far so good. We seem to be getting a little push down at the moment. Let's see if we can create a new lower low and get into this take profit level. Just gonna put my Gann box in so you can see where I put my break-even levels in. So what I like to do is I enter around the 0.5. The 0 is my stop loss. 0.75, that's our 50% profit level. And then when we get to about 0.87, I like to get that stop loss into break even. So back to Topstep X, and yeah, I'm actually copying today between the express count and the 100k. What I'll do is, if this trade hits take profit, I'll stop copy and we'll jump back over to the 100k. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and we're just going to let this trade play out. So yeah, we should go back to trading view. I do all my analysis on trading view, and I like to watch the price on trading view. Topstep X I just use for the executions, and yeah, I don't really like to watch the ticks or the dollar profit. Just like to take the emotion out of the trade. And I could see us actually reversing this position and potentially going into a buy within the next 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna keep watching this price. We're still in the sell at the moment. The price does seem to be turning. Just looking at the chart on the M5, you can see, we got the higher, lower high here, or higher low. Yes, we got a bit more upward momentum. Just keeping an eye here. So M1's changed, but like I always say, that can flip flop about. M5 now, the direction on the chart seems to be going bullish as well. So we might just hit our stop loss. We are going to hit our stop loss on this short position, and then we will be looking to go long on the next trade. So I'd like to see the M15 confirmation as well. But yeah, if we hit our stop, yeah, we're quite close to hitting that stop, right, with 22 ticks. What we do is we're probably going to take a long position for the next trade. Yes, we haven't hit that stop yet. This I think it's like one tick away from hitting our stop loss. So yeah, we're just gonna let the trade play out, and we will take the next position. But yeah, let's see what happens here. Price seems to be rejecting around that level. Probably expecting that the next candle to push strongly through that stop up to that supply level of 2681. So yeah, we could see a push through on the next candle, about 2 seconds. Then we might be looking to take that buy position next. So yeah, price just playing with us now. It's just hurry up and put me up my misery so we can look into the next trade. But yeah, so we were one tick away from being taken out, but I am expecting this candle to push through our stop loss. Then we're going to set ourselves up for a long position next. So yeah, just back to it. Patience. We're gonna have to wait for the next opportunity to buy or sell. I am expecting us to hit the stop loss here, even if this candle is red. Potentially expecting the next candle to be green to push that stop, and then we are going to be looking at taking a buy. So yeah, as always, Mandela should be joining us around 6:30. We can go through some of the news. We're definitely going to talk about Bitcoin, and if the two of us got time, we might just jump on around 2 o'clock and just quickly do 30 minutes on Bitcoin later. Yeah, been some great movement since the US election. Will it continue? Yeah, we'll discuss that at 6:30. We'll see if we got time to cover it in more detail around 2 p.m. GMT. Yeah, just looking at the M15 on the Forex chart. So I think overall we're looking bearish. We have tested that Asian low. We've tested about 3 or 4 times throughout the night. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised later on if we do see a break through that Asian low. There might be some good opportunities to sell gold later on in the day, especially for the forex traders or those people who trade in like the 100 ticks. For myself, just trading the M5, so we're just looking at a 30 tick profit and stop. So at the moment I've put the trade in as a loss. I expect this candle, I expect this just to be a pullback, and then I expect the next candle to push through a stop loss, and then we will look at taking a long opportunity. But as always, it's about patience. We have to wait and see. Looks like we're going to retest that hikey level there, but we are trading below the VWAP as well, so that's telling us the sellers are in control. So yeah, let's see what happens over the next 5 to 10 minutes. But I am expecting that's what I'm expecting to see. So I'm expecting to see this candle push through a stop. We get the buy opportunity, and we will look at taking that. So we can see now M1 and M5 are both bullish. So yeah, won't be surprised to see this retest on the high key and then push through up to this supply level of 2681. So what I will say, again, a lesson to myself, is I woke up early, seen this selling opportunity, I took it, but it was outside of our window. Normally I like to trade 6 to 8 a.m. and yeah, we took this trade at 5:40, so really we should have waited until we got confirmation within our trading window. So yeah, I'm expecting this candle, this one I'm expecting to see, it's a pullback and then a push through. Yeah, so yeah, as I was just saying, yeah, we just had a pullback or a small retest, and we're definitely getting some bullish momentum now. So expecting that stop to be taken out pretty soon, probably within the next few seconds, to be honest, and then we're going to set ourselves up for a long position on the next trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, so there we are. That's our stop. And what we're going to wait for now, we're going to wait for a buy signal to come in. So just take that out. yeah, quite mindful now. We're close to that VWAP level. Now, yeah, we got the buy in, and we're looking to take a long position on the next candle, just over 40 seconds. Want this flag to stay in, and I'm just quite mindful that we do have resistance or supply here, and we have the VWAP that will also act as resistance. So yeah, we're going to go long on the next opportunity if we can, but only if that buy flag stays in. So yeah, we need this to be visible for the next candle in. So it looks like it's going to be one of those mornings. So yeah, we got the buy signal in here. We got the M1, M5 both showing up. We did have a strong bullish candle to get that flag in, but yeah, we've got a little bit of a pullback at the moment. And you can see now we have taken that trade, but our take profit is like well above the VWAP and the supply level here. So yeah, let's watch this trade play out. So yeah, just swapped over to Topstep X. So yeah, we've taken a 160 loss this morning. Let's see if we can get that back and a little bit of profit. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, quite mindful of the VWAP here. And also we do have the point of interest or supply level around 2681. So yeah, we'd need a good break through that. So a strong push through that for us to get into profit. If we do get into profit on this trade, that'll probably be it for this morning. We'll just cover the news of Mandela. And I think we will be done for the morning. So let's see how this trade does. Yeah, so looking quite good at the moment. We are going to find some resistance here around this level. What I'm hoping for is a good strong candle, good push through. Let's hopefully take this level out. Let's see if we can get a break above this VWAP into take profit. At 0.87, we'll get that stop loss into break even. And we can see here's the rejection here. And just 1 second. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. How you doing, Andrew?
Yeah, we're okay. We're actually in a trade, so first
nice.
I woke up a little bit too early. I seen a sell opportunity, which I took. We actually lost that trade. Only myself to blame, really. It was outside our 6 a.m. window. Yeah, so really I should have ignored this and waited until here. I've taken this buy opportunity here. Tick the criteria, so we had the buy flag in, price is broken above the Heikin-Ashi. What's happened is the price is pushed up and it's rejected off this supply level here, 2681. We've also got the VWAP, so that these two are resistance here. What I was hoping for was a good strong candle to actually take this supply level out. And we're in this trade. So what'll happen, stop loss or take profit, that'll probably be it for today.
Okay.
But at the moment we're running on a 150 loss, and we're hoping we can make a recovery with this trade this morning. So how's things?
Okay.
What's new with
everything's good. Everything's good. Haven't been on for a little while. I think since the election show was the last one that I was on, Andrew. And it's I don't know. It was I think our show on election night was fairly accurate in terms of where we saw things.
Yeah, it was well received, and I did say earlier on this show, don't know how you fix today, but maybe around 2 p.m. Shall we do a Bitcoin show today for 30 minutes?
Bitcoin. So I do have some meetings today. So it just depends. We can discuss that.
Okay.
I think I have. So yeah, today it's actually Remembrance Day back home, and I have actually it could work.
So we had a Remembrance Sunday yesterday, bro. Obviously, 11:11 today. I'll be doing my minute silence, for all those that served, and not just the people that served. There was a lot of civilians as well that helped out or do help out during times of conflict as well. So remembrance for all our fallen heroes. So doing that, and we had a good service in our town yesterday. So it was just good to go and pay your respects. But do you have any news for us this morning?
Yeah, we can have a quick look at the news for this morning, Andrew. Let's see if I can pull up what we get. And this week, not as spectacular as last week. I think last week we had the election, and then we also had the Federal Reserve. So this week, not going to be as exciting, but we do have quite a few things on the docket. So focusing mainly on European, UK, and then of course US news. Not a whole lot today. Just so everyone's aware, the US stock market is open. So obviously gold is going to be open, Forex markets are open. However, bond markets are closed. US bonds are closed today, and they reopen tomorrow. The other things we got down here, let's see. I'm looking for the big ticket items, Andrew. So I think they start on Wednesday. We get CPI, which is inflation. So that's going to be at 1:30 p.m. London time. That's when we get our first major news item. And inflation is basically exactly what it says. So we use investing.com for anybody who wants to play along at home. And as the internet is starting up. I just wanted to give you a quick summary. So previously, inflation was 2.4%. That's year over year. So compared to last year, prices are 2.4% higher. And this is what it measures. The Consumer Price Index is what it stands for. Measures the change in the price of goods and services from the perspective of the consumer. It is a key to measure changes in purchasing trends and inflation. And then this is the part that most people want to know about for trading. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the US dollar, and lower than expected reading should be taken as negative. So this is where inflation was back in 2022, July 2022, and this is where it is now. And then the last bit is for Wednesday's announcement. The forecast is for inflation to be at 2.4. Last month, it was 2.4. So looking for it to kind of remain the same as the previous reading. So that's that for the first big item for this week. I got a few other smaller items, Andrew, and we can touch on these later on in the week. PPI is also Producers Price Index. So that's producers inflation. Also initial jobless claims. We can touch on that later on in the week. Fed speak also on Thursday late in the day. And then we have GDP out of the UK on Friday. Last thing is retail sales on Friday at 1:30. We'll touch on these as we get further down the week, but those are the items for today. Andrew, how's your trade looking?
Yeah, not the best, but yeah, let's quickly get over to that. So yeah, we got a rejection price seems to be rejected around here. We can see we get up to around 2680. Interesting doji here. Normally signals a reversal, but you know those sort of signals on an M5 are pretty weak. But yeah, it's a point of interest at 2681. We just need to take that level out, and we need to get above that VWAP level. So yeah, with a couple of ticks in profit at the moment, but yeah, the last three candles they haven't lived up to what a buy candle was expecting a strong push up, which we haven't got. We have rejected off this level here. So yeah, it could be 2 losses in a row, but yeah, just have to be a little bit patient and see what happens with this price. At the moment, M1, M5 charts both showing like a bullish direction, but the M15 is still downward at the moment. So just looking at the Forex chart. Yeah, we could get a push up, I'd say around another 40 ticks, but for me overall for the day, gold could be looking bearish. We have tested the Asian low 4 times this morning, and yeah, we began that push up now. That's a push I want to see, but it's a supply level here, and this is acting as resistance here, and this VWAP as well, so it could be quite strong. So we're gonna need something special to break through that price and get up to our take profit.
Yeah, no, I see that. I mean, I think the entry was very well taken this morning. You have been very disciplined and taken very good trades. I guess we just have to play that fishing game that we always talk about.
Yeah, for sure. And losses are part of the game, right? So
Yeah,
we had a good week last week. I think we had a couple of wins on the bounce. So yeah, I would be disappointed to hit the stop loss again today, but we can just see that price is struggling and is rejecting here, and he's a little bit undecided at the moment. But yeah, for me, if I was a betting man, I would say we're looking for a downward move now.
Okay, and you're long?
Yeah, I've gone long, yeah.
Okay, but that's based off of your setup. The setup.
Yeah, it's based off the setup, but just experience is telling me what I'm seeing. The rejection here, here, and here. We could be pushing into that stop, but yeah, we can see M1 now. The chart's going into a downward trend as well. So yeah, we could be looking at 2 stops for the day. What will happen then is if we do hit the second stop, I'll probably lock myself out the accounts, and I'll be back tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I think that's very disciplined, very, very clever. Yeah, I think we just see how it goes, let it play out. But yeah, sometimes I feel like sometimes you have your intuition, as you said, your experience is saying one thing, and then your checklist is saying the opposite.
Yeah. So it's like for myself, it's this upside down dojo, upside down cross here. Yeah, and so what's happened here is the bulls have pushed the price up, and they failed, right? So the sellers are in control. Here the market's undecided. The bears here, market's undecided here. The bears in control here. We got the bulls. They're having a go, but yeah, they don't seem that strong. They really do need to break through this 2681 to take control, and they need to break above the VWAP. So yeah, at the moment I think the sellers are in control, but let's wait and see. But yeah, experience is telling me, just looking, what we got: lower high, lower high, lower high, potentially another lower high here. But yeah, I'll keep talking the trade bearish because it's pushing upwards. So
it's interesting how those things happen.
Quick question: can you hear the music in the background? I can't.
I can hear the music. It's low. It's low. It's. I think it's a good volume from what I can tell. So as you're talking, I can hear you maybe 80%, and then I hear the music like 20%.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Need to check my setup later. So.
Yeah. I do want to know if you want to have a quick look at Bitcoin, because unless you want to keep the Go chart up, I know we're coming up to about 640.
Yeah, bring up Bitcoin because it'll be good to discuss. I got some opinions on it as always.
Yeah, okay. We did look at it on our election show. If anybody who wants to have a look at that, let's pull it up here. There we go. So if we zoom in just a smidgen, there we go. So we have moved up considerably in Bitcoin. Looks a little messy. Apologies for that. Let's go one more in. All right, so this would have been last week, Tuesday. So this was the election day here. Election was on Tuesday, right, Andrew?
That's right. On the 5th, yeah.
Okay, on the 5th. So this is when we were looking at it last. And it has gone bonkers, bananas, just since, let's see, we were around 70,000. Yeah. And it's just moved up. This was, I think we were looking at it here to try and figure out what's going to happen next. I've done some Fibonacci extensions to see where it could go to. What are your thoughts? I also did the Asian. This is the weekend range, which it's just still going.
I think if you're a Bitcoin holder, I think it's fantastic news, and I think it's well deserved. So the crypto boys probably got more patience than anyone. Especially people that's been in it since 2015, 2016. I would err on the side of caution. It's great to see Bitcoin pumping up. I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback, but I just think Bitcoin's just going to keep going up, right? But what I'm going to say is, just remember that Trump, he's a businessman before a politician, or he used to be, and so is Musk and some of the cabinet, and they're going to be pushing for a strong dollar next year, especially 2026, right? So I wouldn't be surprised to see things like gold and Bitcoin just have a pullback. They're not going to crash. Bitcoin's here to stay. And I think if you got in around the 30K mark, you're laughing, right? But what's going to happen now with Bitcoin is everyone's going to jump on the hype train, especially the people that missed out, right? It's at 81K, they'd be buying like crazy, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback, take out some of the loose hands, and then the boys with diamond hands, they'll be laughing when this price does get up to about 100K. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next year, especially after January. But I think from now till the end of the year, I think Bitcoin's going to do well.
Yeah, I think you're right. Andrew. It was almost like a switch was flicked. Because as you had said rightly, Donald Trump was trying to be boosting Bitcoin and crypto. And when Bitcoin moves, like you said, it can just surprise everybody. But like also, as you said, you have to be cautious here. You don't want to be buying necessarily the all-time high, which is where we are right now. If I had to kind of put some timelines on it, I would say maybe for the rest of the year we kind of chug higher as we get closer and closer to Christmas. What price is that going to be? I don't know. But maybe come 2025, we peak out as well. And like you said, there could also be some dips along the way, some drops.
Yeah, I think so. It's going to be interesting to see what they do. Obviously, they want to reduce inflation. They're looking to reduce interest rate on credit, etc. in the US. That's already coming out within a week of president-elect. So they'll want a strong dollar for sure. That's his legacy as well from his last term, right? So I can see him doing that. And if they do increase the strength of the dollar, it's definitely going to affect gold. Bitcoin, it should affect Bitcoin, but it depends how much people are investing and pushing the price up. But what I would say is, Trump has said, he wants to make the US the home of crypto, and he's already been doing or talking to the president of people like Ecuador and stuff like that, who have adopted crypto as a currency. So it's going to be interesting times. If America does, follow the model like of Ecuador of using Bitcoin as some sort of reserve or letting it be used as a currency, the price is gonna go through the roof, right? Yes,
it will. It will. Do you hold any? Are you trading it? Are you looking to do any Bitcoin stuff, crypto stuff?
No, not trading it. No, not.
Okay.
Yeah, not at all. But I'm interested in the price. So XRP is up to 60 cents.
Yeah, I mean that's. you gotta get PJ on. PJ.
Yeah, but it's probably the biggest disappointment when we talk about like shit coins in the XRP. It's the worst, right?
I think we need to have the experts on.
It had so much promise back in 2017, 2018, and the idea for XRP, what it was supposed to do, what it was supposed to introduce, but just hasn't delivered at all. But again, it's interesting now with Trump in, the SEC. Do they continue, with the squabble with Ripple Labs? So it's going to be an interesting time next year. But I'm not going to be really excited about XRP until it's an all-time high, and it's I think I was about $3.15, and it's just nowhere near it.
Yeah. It's it looks like it's around 57. Right now, so it would be great to have PJ on. I did speak to him a few weeks ago, and he was still holding XRP. This was way before the election, so it'd be nice to get an update from him.
I forgot. Can you pull LUNC? LUNC?
Yeah, I think I have that one. Is that Lunacy?
Yeah,
the
that's
Lunacy
right.
one. Yeah. Here we go. Do you have that one?
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, like when it was like worth 0. I think I dropped in the chat. It's my wild card, And
Yeah, why not? Why
got
not?
right in at the bottom when it crashed.
You still have it.
Yeah, I still got it. Yeah. So
There we go.
where are we at? Okay.
So yeah,
sideways.
I mean it's off the actual bottom from August. It's higher than where it was in August.
Yeah. So I think I'm around. I think it's about 80% up for myself, but
that's good.
Yeah, but 80% of 0 to the power of 5. Yeah, to 9. So yeah, we're talking pennies or we're talking dollars, right? But
yeah.
And what about that? Would you have Peppy coin there? That was another.
Peppy. Yeah, that one was a meme. I don't know if I even put that on here. That's the frog, I think. Let's do Peppy US dollar. Here we go. So this is the Peppy, similar to LUNC.
Yeah. Nice.
It's off the lows. Everything's moving after the election.
I suppose finally the main coin, is it Doge or DOG?
Yes, that one's been doing well. So that was Elon Musk likes that one.
Yeah.
Here we go. That one has been. I've been keeping an eye on that one.
Yeah, it's doing well.
Yeah, I did a Fibonacci on that. So 27 cents. If we zoom in just a bit, yeah, you can see it had a good it's had a good week.
Yeah, but that's just reacting to the Trump and Musk.
Yeah, that's it.
Collaboration, right? So yeah, but no, it's doing well. It's having a good push. Yes, the crypto boys, they'll be sleeping well last week.
Yeah, they will. Like you said, they have their patience down to a T.
Yeah, in fairness, yeah, they deserve all the success and credit. They've been extremely patient, right? So we know a couple in our WhatsApp group have been holding for years. Like, how long's that crypto group been going for? At least 4 or 5
years. Yeah. That was. We went through. We had the bull market, and then we've had the bear market. So yeah, it's been, I want to say at least like 7 years or something like that.
I'll have a quick look now.
I should say when it was created. So if we zoom out, we would have been it's been around for a while.
Created on August 2017.
Wow. Okay, 2017.
Yeah, so it's been going a while, right?
Yeah, I didn't realize that. So 2017, the data doesn't even, Bitcoin, when we started the group at the end of 2017, what did you say, August?
August 2017.
August 2017, Bitcoin was sitting at $2,300.
I wonder how many in the group bought around then.
Hopefully a lot.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, that's some good upside. Thank you for checking that out. Oh, talking about the group, a few people have reached out about when are we gonna have another Blueprint show. So I think we should. I know we had a few guests lined up.
Yeah, I'll chase them up today, and if you've got anyone as well, just let them know.
I will.
Yeah, I'm good on the weekends, that. So just let me know.
Yeah. Okay.
And, we can jump on and do that.
Okay.
So
that's fine.
Yeah, with myself, Trey's just dying a painful death. Right, it's just not doing anything at the moment. So let's have a quick look. So yeah, we're I don't know, I'm 50-50. I was confident on the buy. I was thinking, we might get a good move. Rejected that supply level, rejected off that VWAP. Price seems to be pushing down slowly, painfully. So we could be in this trade for another 10 to 15 minutes. Just looking on the M15s, we got a doji there, so we got a price reversal from bullish. So yeah, I'm expecting a bearish move now. down. So
Question for you. Would you ever pull the plug early and let's say exit if you see that it's not moving?
So my head's telling me to do that, or my heart's telling me to reverse the position. But I've done it in the past, and then the price just swaps straight back around. So, yeah. But if we're looking at the M15, I don't know if you. 1 second, I can do that actually. So yeah, we got this shear, but if you look on the M15, that's actually broken above the high key as well. So stop loss looks okay. Do you know what? I'm actually undecided. This is a positive sign here that we've broken above high key here. Another positive sign. Could just be getting a retest. But on the M15 4X, the previous candle was a doji as well. But yeah, I'm 50-50. I suppose I'm just going to have to be patient, sit my hands and wait this one out. So here we are. So another call kiss of death. So number 1, we got this supply level here. Number 2, we got the VWAP. Number 3, now we're actually creating a trend line, downward trend line, like a point of interest here. So it's going to take something special. So there's like 3 points of resistance that we need to get through if we're to hit take profit. So I wouldn't. Yeah, I'm probably 60-40 stop loss now.
60-40, 60 saying it's gonna go stop
Down.
loss. 40
Yeah.
saying it's gonna go target. Go
Yeah.
to target. Okay. I see. See what you're saying.
But we are moving sideways, so we're gonna need something. Just watching the M15 on like an MT4 chart, and yeah, it's gonna. Yeah, I'm undecided. Probably 70-30 to the stop now. It's just because of that doji I can see. So yeah, we had 2 bullish candles. We've got a doji. And normally that does indicate a price reversal.
Yeah.
But looking at this next candle again, there seems to be no buyers, no sellers. We just seem to be quite flat at the moment.
Yeah,
But
I don't know. It seems like the volume's low or something. It's not a lot of activity.
Yeah. Let me.
At least not this. Not for this last 5-10 minute period.
I'm actually gonna I'm gonna quickly check the volume now.
Okay.
Yes, I'm just looking at the tilt with Topstep X and 63% long, 33% short. Yeah, interesting.
Does the tilt give you the time frame, or is it overall?
I think it's overall. So
Overall, okay.
yeah, it just gives you gold. So long 64, positive dollars, 56%. Gives you a long average price of 2678, and then short M37.
And that's the futures price.
Yeah, it's
Based
a
on
futures
future- okay.
price. Yeah,
Future, yep.
but yeah, I haven't got much to say, to be honest.
Let me have a look. I'm gonna have a look. It looks like it's trying to decide what to do, especially. So I'm looking at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 7 5-minute candles.
Yeah.
Looks like it wants to do something either at 7 o'clock or it's preparing for 7 o'clock. So it's like it's getting ready for something. I just don't know what that is. Do you see the indecision in the last few candles?
Yeah, so definitely. So on the M15, these last 2 candles, definitely there's just no movement, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen a trade like this for probably years. Normally you get moves, right? There's just nothing happening. So yeah, this is a terrible game of tennis. So yeah, yeah, we are getting a bit of a push up. I'm just mindful of we have got pretty strong resistance levels. But yeah, the price is very unsure, right? It's moving really slow. That's on an M5 as well. Be interested to see where this candle closes, because this could give us a bullish momentum on the M15 chart. It just seems stuck. Let me quickly... It needs to break through this here. That's just looking at the M15. That seems to be the resistance level. So yes, we're back at our entry price now. Next candle.
It's not a bad place to be. Not a bad place at all.
We're okay.
Yeah.
But again, it's very indecisive, right? It's just it's not doing much.
See, I just had a quick look to see if there's any news at 7 that may push it. I'm not seeing anything. So usually between 6 and 7, you'll get some sort of, even if it's like a five point move, something.
Yeah. So the ATR, the average true range is telling me, 50 ticks, but we're just not seeing it at all. From experience, when this happens, normally it just tanks into the stop.
Yeah.
So yes, we got the buy-in, and it's just moving sideways at the moment. So we're an action-packed show, right?
This is what it's like. This is the reality of the situation. People watch show. Actually, have you seen a show called Industry?
No, I haven't.
Okay, there's a show called Industry. It's on, if anybody over here on this side, it's BBC iPlayer. And it's like a UK version of Billions. I've only seen the first episode, but really good. And anybody outside the UK is on HBO.
Text it to me later, and I'll take a look tonight.
Yeah, but they don't show you this side of the business.
Oh, no,
waiting,
it's all
the waiting.
It's all crack. Oh, let's go, yeah. Making millions in minutes, and
Yes.
Yeah, so we're stuck on that trend line now, right? So so first, we need to break through this first. Need to take out this trend line here. Need to take out that supply level, and then we got the VWAP. So it's a big ask to see if we can get to that take profit. But we get a bit of a slow bullish move, and as I say it, the price drops. But we got 3 points of interest to take out if we hit that take profit. But still 60-40 is going to hit the stop.
Yeah, it's a tricky one. I do wonder if it's because bond markets are closed today, because it's the first day after the weekend. Do you find usually on Mondays they're any different in your experience?
I find Monday and Tuesdays normally good days. Friday's my worst day, so I'm going to stop trading on a Friday, so there'll be no show this Friday. So if I have a good Monday and Tuesday, or even a Wednesday, I'm just going to call it a day. I'm going to work out some profit targets later down. If I get to them, that's the trading done for the week. Tuesday,
that makes sense.
Tuesday seems quite favourable as well. That's not too bad. But Fridays for some reason just doesn't work for me. I know some other people do really well, but I just can't get it together on Friday.
Yeah, I find Fridays can be unpredictable as well. Sometimes it's a good day. I don't know if I've had I've never had my best day on a Friday. I think that's a very good solution to focus on, like a Monday to Thursday trading week, and then take a 3-day weekend.
Yeah, that's okay, right?
Yeah.
So we got. So the next candle's going to be interested on the M15. So we had that doji. This candle has been slightly bullish on the M15. So be interesting to see where we open next. It's wanting to push up on the M15. Yeah, as I say that, yes, that goes red. So yeah, this trade is going to be a slow burn, I think. Right, we're going to have to wait. I'm expecting it to hit the stop.
Let's see. This 15-minute candle's closing green. Is that right?
It is closing green, yeah.
Okay, let's see. What about the 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour is green as well.
Yeah, there's some. I need to check the news. Never seen it this slow. So yeah, it could be the bond market, right? But
yeah, it could be the bond market being closed. It's like watching molasses roll uphill. But I'm pretty sure your trade is break even or better.
Yeah, so here we are. So we're 160 down, hoping to get up to this level here.
160, was that the first trade of the day?
Yeah,
that's in this trade.
Yeah, okay. That's the trade from earlier.
The first trade of the day, right?
From 540, yeah. So hopefully we can get into a profit on this trade. Yeah, we're hitting this trend line here. It's point of interest, so it's gonna take something special, a strong candle, to push us through that, and then we just need to break through that VWAP and demand level. So it's having a go.
It feels like it's got the handbrake on. Like the handbrake is on, but it's still moving in the right direction.
You shouldn't have said that.
I shouldn't have said that. It's clearly it's listening to our show, Andrew. What's the opposite of that? I don't know what to say. I'm not going to say anything about gold for the rest of the show.
Yeah,
I feel responsible. Yeah,
I'm just gonna finish off my coffee and my breakfast now, and
okay, fair enough.
Get myself on mute. Just let us play out.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pop off. We can maybe see. I mean, we did cover Bitcoin a few moments ago, but maybe see what's happening around 2 o'clock.
Yeah, if you're free, let me know, and yeah, we can just do something purely on Bitcoin, and maybe we can pull up some of the news as well from some of the reputable outlets, and then we can just go through what's happening.
Okay. Yeah, I am looking to trade today for 2:30.
Right. Okay. Yeah, I won't keep you too long if we jump on then.
Yeah, that's all good. All good. Are you at home today, or you're flexible today?
Flexible, yeah. So
got it. Okay. All right, let's reconvene a little bit later. Enjoy your coffee. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thanks, Mandela. I'll speak to you soon. Bye
okay.
for now.
Thanks, Andrew.
Bye.
Yep. Bye.
So yeah, I'm just gonna watch this trade play out. Put myself on mute. Gonna finish my breakfast. Drink my coffee. Yeah, we are struggling around this point of interest here. This supply level, plus we got the VWAP. So yeah, I'm still 60-40 that we're going to hit our stop loss, but we just let this trade play out, and I'll be back when we get closer to one of the prices. So yeah, we get that that reversal I thought we were going to get, and yeah, it looks like we can get into our stop loss. So yeah, 2 stops in a row. Not a great start to the week, but I will be back tomorrow, hopefully to fight another day. And yeah, I'm just going to watch this price play out. It's really slow today. Like Mandela said, it's probably because the bond market's closed. So yeah, I'm probably 80-20 now that we're going to hit our stop. And yeah, we're just going to watch this trade play out. That's all we can do, right? Just got to be patient, just like fishing. So yeah, I'll put myself back on mute, finish my breakfast, and yeah, let's see what happens with this trade. But I'm expecting us to hit our stop loss pretty soon.